So Monday will be crazy volatile for those stocks. We're gonna have the strategy, where you enter, where you exit, where we have to take a profit before the short will come in. This is the insider strategy. Nobody tell you about it. So let's get right to it and start with Vroom. It's crazy volatile. We did 28% on Friday. The volume is 37 million. And again, we have the earning in just 2 days on Monday. And if we check when the earning will be, at night after the market close on Monday. So what's gonna be for this play for Vroom? So Vroom is crazy volatile. It's kind of jumping every time we test this ascending line. We have how many bump we did? We did 45% before, then the price go down. Then lately we did 60%. 60% since the 2nd of August, beginning of this month. So what's gonna be by Monday? Now, if we go in a smaller picture, we have a resistance around the $2.24. We broke it on Friday and we held above it. So for Monday, we're gonna have a volatility. So there's a potential for this one. We're gonna have a gap up around this area, the $2.57. If we have this reaction, almost 11% gap around the $2.58, and we held when the market opened, will take us until the $3.32, the profit taken for Vroom. If we calculate how much this will be, yes, another 43%. This is really plausible for Vroom. We're gonna have a squeeze. Just one thing only: if we held the $2.24, if we have a pre-market gap, would be even better. This will confirm our breakout, and we're gonna continue to hold this gap that we did. If we open the market and we held the gap above the $2.30, this will confirm that next week we're gonna have the $3.30 profit taken for Vroom. Next up, we have AMC. Oh man, this one is jumped really crazy. We talked about it in our live streaming here, 5th of August. What we suggest for AMC, we said we have a resistance around the 22.64. If we don't break it, we're gonna have a hold up above the 21.85 support. This was on the 1 minute chart, and we just spotted the resistance because we got a lot of requests here on our live streaming regarding AMC. It was squeezing before the market closed. So this was the power hours. That's why we cover AMC in our live streaming. We do it each Friday, 8 p.m. Paris time, and you can ask your question here on the live streaming. And again, we want to shout out for our hunters on the live streaming because they support our live streaming every weekend. So thank you for our hunters that always support our channel. Let me just go back to AMC. What's going on? So we have a resistance went crazy when the short actually came in around the 22.64. Monday, what we should expect? If we go in smaller picture, we saw that we have a rejection before the market closed. However, we held above the current support that we talked about in our live streaming, is holding by Monday above the 21.80. This is the best case scenario because we might see the price going around the 20. This is still normal, and the strongest support for us to continue toward the 29 is the 20. However, the best case scenario is holding above the 21.80. This will verify that AMC will test around the 29 squeeze area. So let me just go to Gamestop very quick, because Gamestop is about to squeeze. Look what's happened. We have double top around the 40.45. We tested and the price went down precisely around the 40.45. So what that mean? That mean there is a big fight and we're not ready. The volume is not there yet to overcome this massive volatility around the 45. We have just 8 million. We need 20 or 30 million to squeeze over that. So by Monday, if we broke the 40.45, man, would be a big volatility for GME to go around the 49, 23%. Then the squeeze area 50% around the $61. Just mark this price up. Already put my alert. I will hunt for this one up. The other one we have DKNG. Oh man, this is still squeezing. 9% we did. The volume for DKNG is around 57 million. So that's why we have a volatility and breaking from this downtrend channel. And now we breaking because we have last earning. It was in positive and it's good earning for the revenue. However, we need to hold this gap around the 17 to continue higher and squeezing above the 21. So we have a resistance now. We have to break the 21.90. If you want to load up on DKNG after we break the 20.90 and Momo, because here opportunity to win 10 free stocks. One of them is of course DKNG and the other is Tesla, AZO, Fusel Energy, AMC and Apple. And you have until the 7th of August until you get those additional 5 free stocks. And how you can get those free stocks is pretty simple. You open a brokerage account. Second, you deposit $100 in order to get stock value between $8 up to $2,500. So what you waiting for? Get your free share of DKNG and the other stock with my link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here. Will take you directly to open your account with Momo. So if we go back to the other stocks that will be squeezed, of course, BBBY. This one we did 32%, so we have it first. This is the most talked about stock on Reddit. That's why it's still squeezing. And we have AMC the second. However, if we go for this one, what's gonna happen? We have a confirmed support around the $5.90. And the best case scenario, the support to hold is above the $7.40. If we hold above the $7.40, this will confirm everything. Even if we don't have a gap by Monday, this would be even better. If we have a drawback around the $7.40, $7.50, we're gonna have the breakout again around the $12.44 and the $10.90. So I'll start to take profit around the $10.90. Let me just calculate. Another 30% or 47%. And again, the $12.44 will be the squeeze area for BBBY. The price after that will be crazy. So I will suggest to take profit, then re-enter after this resistance. Oh man, Cinedigm is starting squeezing, and we already did last week a big jump, almost 57%. On Friday we did just 4%. This is just initiation for a big storm coming for Cinedigm, because everybody knows Cinedigm is crazy volatile. We went around the 16 last year. There's a potential we're gonna go there. We went until the $1 this year, so we have a big potential to squeeze. If we held the $2, the best case scenario is the $2. The strong support I can have for Cinedigm is above the $1.69. But the best case scenario, as for BBBY, if we held the $2 current support, will be it for Cinedigm to squeeze around the $3.30. We're gonna take a profit here around the $3.20, $3.30. We're gonna take our profit. Don't be greedy. Profit is profit. This is the name of the game. When we have a big gain like this, don't just think about the price will go around the 11. We might go there. However, the short will come in, the price go down. So we have the profit that we took around the $3.30 and we load up. So you don't have to wait. That's why we're trading. We try to make some profit and guard our profit. This is how you be profitable in the long run. I'm not talking about just one day to get profit. I'm talking about a long investment career. If you want to, if you don't want, do whatever you want. So this is our strategy in our Hunters channel. Hopefully that was informative and clear. So drop your favorite stock that we covered in this video and which one you gonna hunt from those lists that we covered today. Hopefully have a nice weekend and see you in the next video.